So as we have just told you, 1,925 vehicles have been impounded. Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. I'm live just next to the Vishrantwadi police station on the Alandi road, near the traffic police office, Yeroda Vahatuk Vibhag. So on a daily, Sangeeta Sunil Jadhav, who is the traffic police inspector, in an interaction with Pune Times Mirror, informed us that from the 1st of April to 17th May 2026, 1,925 six-seaters were impounded and a whopping 8,52,900 rupees were collected in fines. So we were under the impression that actually the traffic drive has been taken against six-seaters for overloading and carrying more than 6 passengers was the case. But that appeared to be the case today. But from what Police Inspector Traffic Sangeeta told Pune Times Mirror, that this is on a daily basis. More than 8 to 10 vehicles are impounded and kept the whole day just next to the traffic police in Yeroda, next to the Yeroda traffic police and the Vishrantwadi police station on the Alandi road, which goes further down towards Vishrantwadi. So today's drive was basically for overloading the six-seaters by carrying more than 6 passengers, like 8 passengers, 10 passengers. But actually there are other traffic violations being carried out by these six-seaters, like the other rickshaws, are that double-side parking, no proper uniform, double parking are some of the reasons why these vehicles are being impounded and kept here on a daily basis. So as we have just told you, 1,925 vehicles have been impounded since the 1st of April till the 17th of May, and more than 8.5 lakh rupees, a whopping 8.5 lakh rupees, have been collected in fines. So basically what we want to say is that the traffic police has been consistently carrying a stringent drive, not only against six-seaters, but against auto rickshaws as well, for overcharging, not going by the meter, not parking in the right place, wrong side driving, and so many other violations of traffic. This is one of the reasons why all these six-seaters and auto rickshaws should take cognizance of this and not break any kind of traffic rules. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror, right opposite the Yeroda Traffic Department and the Vishrantwadi Police Station on the Alandi Road.